నమస్తే ఏకే న్యూస్ కు స్వాగతం. పెట్టుబడిదారులు, నిర్మాణ సంస్థలు, రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ రంగానికి ప్రభుత్వం అండగా ఉంటుందని మంత్రి శ్రీధర్ బాబు తెలిపారు. సులభతర వాణిజ్య విధానానికి కట్టుబడి ఉన్నామన్నారు. ప్రతి పౌరుడు లబ్ధి పొందేలా తమ కార్యక్రమాలు ఉంటాయని, దీర్ఘకాలిక వ్యూహాలతో ముందుకెళ్తున్నామని చెప్పారు. శుక్రవారం హైదరాబాద్లో ఓ ప్రాపర్టీ షోలో మాట్లాడుతూ గ్రీన్ బిల్డింగ్స్ గురించి కొనుగోలుదారులకు, నిర్మాణ సంస్థల అవగాహన కల్పించాలని సూచించారు. ఆయన వెంట మంత్రి ఉత్తమ్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి ఉన్నారు.
In Davos in Switzerland. When we had gone there, we tried to convince the investor, and many people were very, very apprehensive. The last year, before our regime, the investment were about 19,500 crores, almost about 20,000 crores. So our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, and all our ministers were very keen to bring in investment. For that, we made a solid fundamental exercise. It's not so easy to bring in investment. To create confidence in the new government, even maybe Shekhar Reddy wouldn't have had the confidence, or Mr. Anand wouldn't have had the confidence, or Mr. Srinivas Murthy wouldn't have had a confidence now. But we thought of creating confidence that we will continue the good policies. And that's the real reason we brought in certain changes in our policies. The policy changes made us to bring in more investment. Ultimately, we could able to rope in the double the number, 40,000 crore investment to our state. For the past 3 months, we have put everything into action. So that will show the dividends in couple of months. I can say that, we are becoming the data warehouse capital of India. All the data warehouses are coming down to Hyderabad to put their shops. So they need lots of, infrastructure projects in and around their ecosystem, so that it shall be useful for all the employees who come over there, who would like to have the best of the education, best of the residential accommodation, best of the facilities available. That's the real reason they are coming down from China, they are coming down from Delhi, they are coming down